Happy Monday! Welcome to our Freedom Conversation series. We started this series kasi we want to create this community. We talk about money, business, finance, and I think very important right now to have these conversations and not pretend na walang nangyayari sa sa ekonomiya. And it's not only sa Pilipinas, 'di ba? It's all over the world. Kung anong mangyari sa Europe, maapektuhan din to some extent ang sa Pilipinas, 'di ba? Ayan. What we try to do here is to really help you understand where you are right now, where we are right now, 'di ba? Working together and identify actionable points. Kasi maraming resources out there sa YouTube, 'di ba? Sa friends mo, nagpo-podcast. Marami ka naman pwedeng pakinggan Pero why would you want to keep joining these conversations? Kasi you can have your own voice and you can actually also process it, 'di ba? Para may progress. So whether you're doing business or you're an employee, you're welcome here. Kung ano man yung ini-explore mo. Our objective is to help everyone achieve time and financial freedom. Yan.